Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Vichy Normaderm Phytosolution Purifying Gel Cleanser and Double Correcting Moisturizer. Now they often come in a bundle where you can purchase both products and then you can use them daily in the morning as well as evening, or you can purchase them individually. Still, they can be used together in the same routine. And this is a great bundle that's suitable for oily, blemish-prone skin, since both products, the cleanser as well as the moisturizer, contain salicylic acid, which can help you to improve such skin concerns. Now, I do want to emphasize that the cleanser as well as the moisturizer contains fragrance, which in my opinion is very pleasant, and I do not have any issues with fragrance. However, if you have a sensitivity towards fragrance, such as irritated eyes or irritated skin, then please look into salicylic acid products that are fragrance-free, because then this is not going to be the combination for you. Now, when working with this bundle, it's basically straightforward. You're going to get started with washing your face using the Purifying Gel Cleanser and then follow on with the Double Correcting Moisturizer, and that's basically it. However, I want to quickly go over example routines so that you can see the setup and how you can adjust it accordingly to a morning routine as well as an evening skincare routine, so that you have the simple tips in mind. So for morning routine, we're going to get started with washing the face using Vichy Normaderm Phytosolution Purifying Gel Cleanser. Wash your face, rinse it off, pat the skin dry. If you want to include an hydrating and soothing toner, or for example that toner from the Normaderm line, then you can go ahead and include it as your first step after your cleansing step. Now, you do not have to include a toner, but you can, and then this would be the order of application. Once you have applied it, you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off, and then you're following on with the Double Correcting Moisturizer and apply it to the skin and then leave it on the skin. And then during daytime, when being exposed to the sun, it is important to follow with sun protection. Why? Well, first of all, because you want to prevent any premature aging and sun damaged skin in general, but most importantly, if you do suffer from pimples here and there, or even post-acne marks, which are dark reddish spots or even dark brownish spots, you need to protect your skin with sunscreen so that you're not going to make it worse, and that your skin has the time to heal, so that again those dark spots can become less visible over time. Therefore, sun protection during daytime is important. If you want to see those example skincare routines as well as the infographic about sunscreen in your own time, and you want to go over the tips and general guide in as well, then I'm going to leave everything in the description box down below, where I recommend checking it out, and you can even download those PowerPoint slides so that you have a guide in mind when using this combination. Now, when it comes to an evening skincare routine, it's basically the same setup, just without the sun protection. So you would wash your face with the cleanser, then use the toner as well as the moisturizer. However, it's important to emphasize that the cleanser should not be used around the eyes. So please avoid this part right here. Do not get it too close to the lower lash line part, as well as do not use it on top of your eyes, nor get it into your eyes, since then it may irritate the eye area. So in that specific case, if you're wearing sunscreen or maybe makeup that does not really remove easily, or you have troubles because in that specific case the cleanser should not be used around the eyes and you're wearing an eye makeup, then I recommend doing either a double cleansing method, where you would use an oil balm cleanser at first, which you can use around the eyes, and then rinse it off, and then move on to Vichy Normaderm Phytosolution Purifying Gel Cleanser. Or use micellar water at first to get most of your makeup off as well as your sunscreen, and then continue with the cleanser, so that you can adjust it accordingly and that you're not going to irritate the eye area. So this would be an example of a morning as well as evening skincare routine. And now I want to share with you the entire application on my face so that you can see it visually. So again, we're going to get started with the first step, which is washing your face using Vichy Normaderm Phytosolution Purifying Gel Cleanser. You can either wash your face above the sink or take the cleanser with you in the shower, which is very convenient as well. And once you're done in the shower, you have rinsed everything off, you're stepping out of the shower, then you can continue with the rest of your skincare routine. So both ways are fine. Just make sure that you can properly wash your face and remove the cleanser properly from the skin. So in this example, it is important to apply the cleanser on wet skin. So this is now what I'm going to do. I'm starting off with wetting my face, neck as well as hands using lukewarm water so that it feels comfortable on the skin. And then I'm going to massage the cleanser onto wet skin. So let's go ahead and do this. And go ahead and use about coin-size amount on the palm of your hand, about 1 to 2 pumps, about that much. Rub your hands together and then gently massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute, avoiding the eye area. And please do not get it into your mouth either. If that's the case, rinse it with water. So, and once you have massaged it all over your face and neck, you now can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water. You can also use a soft and fresh washcloth in between, which you're going to wet, and this can help you to remove the cleanser a bit better, especially if you're working with sunscreen as well as makeup, to make sure that everything comes properly off the skin so that there's no residue left. So now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So once you're done with the cleansing step, you can immediately move on to the next step and either apply, for example, your hydrating and soothing toner or Vichy Normaderm Phytosolution lotion, which also acts like a toner from that specific line. And so if you want to see how you can specifically work with a toner, I have a video for you in the top right corner. Once you have applied your toner or, for example, the Normaderm lotion all over, you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. And then you can immediately move on to the double correcting moisturizer, which has a pump, and in this specific case use about 1 to 2 pumps for your face and neck. It's kind of like a mixture between a light serum as well as a moisturizer, so it does not feel heavy on the skin but still includes salicylic acid to work on your specific skin concerns. So again, use about 1 to 2 pumps, which is about that much. Rub your fingers together and then gently and evenly apply it all over your face and neck. And don't forget to leave out the eye area. Please do not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. So by leaving out the eye area, I'm talking specifically about this part right here. Please do not bring it too close to the actual lower lash line. Please do not use it on top of your eyelids, because otherwise you still can get into your eyes, and this is the part where the skin is the thinnest, where sensitivity can occur. If you do not have any issues with fragrance in general, you can use it on the eye contour, but again, please do not bring it too far up. So, and once you have applied it all over your face and neck, you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. And then this would be, for example, the end of an evening skincare routine. However, during daytime, please don't forget to follow with sun protection now afterwards. If you want to see a specific video about how you can properly apply your sunscreen, I have a video for you in the top right corner. And I do want to emphasize again, you can use this combination together in the same routine in the morning as well as evening. But I also want to emphasize that if dryness occurs or a bit of irritation, such as stinging or burning on the skin, it is fine to reduce the frequency or use the products in separate routines. And so by that I mean, if you want to, for example, use them in separate routines, then use the cleanser, for example, in the morning, and then exchange it with a gentler cleanser, and then use the moisturizer with this gentle cleanser in the evening. Or you can still use both together, but reduce the frequency. Instead of using it twice per day daily, use it once per day daily, or once per day every other day. You have to try it to see how your skin is going to respond to it. Overall, this is a very gentle combination, but still the cleanser and the moisturizer contain salicylic acid, which is an exfoliating acid, which should be fine if you have oily, blemish-prone skin. But again, since you aren't sure how your skin is going to respond to it, it's also fine to reduce the frequency of how often you're going to apply it to the skin to make sure that it's nicely balanced and that it does not cause any sensitivity. And so this is what I wanted to share with you on how you can use this combination. I do hope that you enjoyed it and that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. And if you now want to know more about skincare and how you can properly apply it to the skin, I have several videos on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to link some of them at the end of this video so that you can keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye!